Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, March 10th. You notice that the scenery is different from my house. It's because I am in Bacalar now with a retreat client. I just tried to record a practice on the lagoon side, but it's so windy right now that my phone kept falling down, and also the wind was so high, so strong that you could hardly hear anything. We did a morning paddle today at sunrise and there was no wind. So tomorrow I will try to record a practice on the lagoon side very early in the morning for you. And this is my private little jungle garden right in front of my room. Anyway, enough of this. Today we will do a practice that's called calming the body. Difficult, painful, or challenging experiences often take us out of mindfulness. And of course, we all experience anxiety, frustration, sadness, and anger. In these moments, you have an opportunity to respond however you choose. By tending to your painful emotions with mindfulness, you'll learn new ways to work with them instead of pushing them away or fighting against them. And over time, you'll grow less reactive and better able to meet the hard times with care and awareness. In the next few days, we will learn and practice different techniques and tools to help you approach the tough days with awareness, compassion, and softness. And again, today we will do a practice that's called calming the body. Because when the mind grows agitated, the body often follows suit. But luckily, the relationship between mind and body is a two-way street. As you calm the body, the mind will eventually relax too. Even though quite often, when we begin practicing this, the mind may actually grow even more agitated. And if this happens to you, please don't worry. It's a very common experience and simply a part of this process. So take a comfortable position and, as always, just settle. And for this practice, really think about what position is the most comfortable for you. Because you can do this exercise sitting or lying down or even standing. Totally up to you, whatever you're most comfortable with right this second. Allow the eyes to close and tune into the sensation of breathing at the nostrils. It may help to take some deep breaths to arrive into your present time experience. And we'll begin with the left arm. So as you breathe in, picture the left arm filling with the energy of the breath. As you breathe out, imagine pushing the breath energy out through your fingertips. Tune into the left arm as you do this, keeping both the feeling of the physical body and the visualization in your awareness. And whenever the mind wanders off into thought, gently bring it back to the breath. I'll be silent for a little bit. Now switch to the right arm. Breathe in, filling the arm with the breath energy. And as you exhale, release the energy through the right fingertips. And continue with the right arm for a little longer. I'll be silent. Now shift your awareness to the torso. Visualize filling the entire chest and abdomen with breath energy as you inhale. Push the breath down, out through the bottom of the spine and tailbone as you exhale. Now continue with each of the legs. Start with the left leg for a couple of moments, pushing the breath out through the foot in exactly the same way you did with the arms. Switch to the right leg, continuing with the same practice. Filling the leg with the breath energy on an inhale, pushing the breath out on an exhale. And now try to bring it all together. Breathe in and fill your entire body with the breath, with the energy of the breath. Imagine the body being filled with the energy of the breath from head to toe. And as you exhale, let the breath out through the fingertips, the base of your spine, and the feet. I'll be silent for a minute or so. And now bring your hands to your heart. And as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. With gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to come back to this practice whenever you feel that your mind is agitated. You don't have to do the scan in its entirety, maybe just the arms or just the legs or the torso or one arm even, depending on how much time you have. And see if calming the body helps your mind to calm as well. Or perhaps you have a different experience. It's all good. Remember, it's a practice, so try to let go of your expectations and simply enjoy whatever it is you discover in the process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully from the lagoon side. Bye.